here's my detailed plans. So just going to make a box, legs upright, and just a box on top. The unit's 27, my wheels are 2, which gives me 29. I want it about 50 inches high, and which gives my whole stand height 21. You got your top and bottom board, which is -3, so my uprights need to be 18. So I'm going to chop all these up and screw them together. And away we go. Hello everyone. So my plan was to make a 2x4 base, but I went over to my buddy Sid's and he had this wonderful steel base on rollers and everything, so thank you very much, Sid. So basically I'm going to scrap that idea. I'm going to paint this up real quick. I'm going to make a wood top for it because it's a little short, but that'll be fine. And yeah, that's going to be it. So off to painting. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Alrighty, so I'm still going to use my cut 2x4s. They fit perfect. So I'm just going to build a box around the outside. I guess that's why they call this adventures, because I just built it wrong. Jackass!